Happy birthday to another tech giant, Google. 9 years ago today, Google went public. It started trading at $85 a share. And if you bought the stock on August 19th, 2004, your investment would be up a stunning 925% to $866 today. Jon Fortt has more on Google's explosive growth, where the company and its stock may be headed next.
9 years ago, Yahoo was the most visited site on the web with nearly twice the U.S. traffic of Google. Apple stock was on an iPod-fueled comeback at about $17. A little site called Facebook was just getting started. And Google, started by Sergey Brin and Larry Page, offered stock to the public markets for the very first time at $85 per share. A lot of people thought that was too expensive. What a difference 9 years makes. Yahoo is now struggling to stay relevant. It's pinned its hopes on a former Google exec. Apple stock is about 28 times higher than it was, and Facebook is the most visited site on the web with nearly 700 million users touching that service daily. Google, still chugging along at about 10 times that $85 IPO price, and it's a very different looking business. Besides its enormously profitable search operation, it's got YouTube for video. It's bought Motorola and jumped into making phones. And it's launched Android for smartphones and tablets, now the most popular operating system in the world. It's enough that when Google has a rare brief outage, like it did Friday night, the entire internet feels a chill.
The funny thing is, 40% of the internet did not go down, but it feels like that number could have been right because Google is basically the internet for a lot of people right now. Think about, you use it for your calendar, you use it for your Gmail, you use it for your phone a lot of the time. At this point, I think it's the infrastructure for basically most of the things that we do in our everyday lives.
So what's next for Google as it approaches its 10-year anniversary? It's a major player in a clash of the titans, including Apple, Samsung, Facebook, and Amazon. The company's now known for taking outsized risks like driverless cars and Google Glass. In the next year, we'll probably see whether Google can turn any of these new risks into profitable ventures. But so far, so good. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Jon Fortt.